Hey loves, how's it going? Today I put together some sustainable gift ideas that you can do to get creative when it comes to gift giving. So the holidays is coming up, and usually the holidays come up very soon. So I thought about making this video now just to give you some time and think about all the things you want to do when it comes to putting together a gift basket. I love putting together gift baskets or gift packages because there's so many thoughts involved into that, and it's almost like creating an experience in a basket. I call it a love basket. This is also a great way to introduce sustainable living to a friend that isn't aware about, how to live a sustainable lifestyle or eco-friendly lifestyle. And this is a great way to introduce them to that. So with that being said, my first gift basket was inspired by all the hard-working women in my life. And of course, you can customize these baskets and these gifts to whoever you're giving it to, personalize them, add a personal spin to it. If it's for a male, then you want to get things that is suitable for him. If this is for a certain type of women, then of course get something that's suitable for that person. And that just makes the gift even more personal and thoughtful. So this first gift is inspired by all my female friends who are hard workers and they deserve a little self-care, and this is like a reminder for them to love themselves and take care of themselves. So I put together a spa package, and the first thing I put in this basket is a robe. So this is a linen robe. It feels amazing and luxurious, and I love the feeling of the linen by Magic Linen. And I highly encourage you to look for sustainable products that are made of natural material and that supports organic, fair trade, whatever you can find. You can't find the perfect item, but as much as you can find, the effort makes it great. So I put a cardboard piece into this robe so that way it can add some sturdiness, and I can put it in the back of my basket. Usually with a basket, I like to use bigger items in the back, and then I like to add in different items that will add different shapes and sizes to add more dimension into the basket. So after the robe, I add in a little towel set by Magic Linen as well, and it's just a really beautiful set that goes hand in hand with the robe. And of course, you can make this as colorful as you like. I didn't realize that my basket wasn't that colorful, but again, I'm not a very colorful person. If I know they're a colorful person, then I would probably get something super colorful, but these are my personal things and I'm just using to show you guys as an example. Yes, aside from that, I also put in a coconut hair mask, a natural coconut hair mask that I thought would make a lovely addition to a spa day. They can put on the robe and then they can put on the lovely coconut oil in their hair and just like put it up and feel great, smell of coconut and all that good stuff. Inside the basket, I also have a face mask that will, make the skin feel nice and moisturized. And then I have some crystals to add some good vibes into the day. So this is just a package for them to add in with what they usually like to use for a self-love, self-care. But it's also just a great reminder of, give yourself some love and I'm also thinking about you kind of package. The second way of gifting is a creative way of packing without using any materials. You're actually using the gift itself as, the package. So it's a very, sustainable way of gift giving. This is for somebody who loves fashion, who loves clothing. I kind of thought about what I would like if somebody was to give me gifts. So this is a linen skirt, a Magic Linen skirt, and it has like a nice A-line shape to it. It's a wrapped around skirt. So I thought about folding the skirt and having the wraparound as part of the packaging. I folded the skirt in the back, and then on top of the skirt in the center, I folded in a linen tote bag, and then on top of the tote bag, I placed some shoes on the top. And these mules or slip-on shoes are by Target, but they have this pretty material. It looks like a natural material. I'm not quite sure what the material is called, but it looks very natural. It looks like a very durable type of hay. I'm not quite sure what the material is called. If you can help me out, leave it in the comment section below this video. Of course, you can customize this and change it around, switch around to whatever you think would work. But I think that this is such a creative way on not using extra packaging. The third gift idea is great for anybody who is a hobbyist, who has a distinctive, type of hobby. And so I was thinking about my friend Christina. She likes to live stream her cooking videos on Twitch under Christina Cooks. And I was like, you know what? if I was to put together a gift basket for Christina, what would I do? So I thought about creating a basket filled with reusable napkins that she can use in the kitchen, because this is what I have in my kitchen, reusable napkins and towels, cleaning towels. So I have cleaning towels, I have napkins in different varieties. In addition to the basket, I have some cooking utensils that I place inside. The cooking mittens are made out of linen, and inside the cooking mittens I place some utensils, some stainless steel reusable measuring cups and measuring spoons, and then I also added in some wooden spoons, some wooden utensils that are great for a cooking enthusiast. Fourth gift idea is a super cute beginner's kit for anybody who wants to maintain a sustainable lifestyle. This is something that I did in about a couple of years ago. I made like a beginner's kit, and I thought this would be a cute way to introduce somebody who is totally unaware of the lifestyle and just let them know, hey, you can do this, it's pretty easy, it's a great encouragement. So you can start with a tote bag, a reusable tote bag made of linen or cotton, natural material, and then I found these really, really cute utensils, bamboo utensils from Amazon that you can put in a pouch, and it's a really compact pouch. So you get a spoon, a fork, a pair of chopsticks, a bamboo straw with a pipe cleaner inside, and you can put them in a little pouch, wrap them around, and it's pretty compact, very, very, very eco-friendly. You can also add in some reusable linen towels. So instead of using napkins on the go, there are some towels that they can use. But it's a great start, and it's such a fun gift idea to give somebody. You can add in, of course, other things that you think would work, like maybe a reusable tumbler or whatever it is. Get creative with it. These last few gifts are a great way to introduce somebody to a local business, a small business that supports sustainable living and eco-friendly products. So you can either create a care package full of goodies, or you can give these items individually, whatever you prefer or whatever you think they would like. If you're creating a gift package, you can make it into like bath beauty products. In this basket, I have the linen towels, and then I have some hair care products that supports, fair trade, sustainability, and uses mostly natural ingredients. And then I also have these deodorants made by a company that's called Coconut Matter. They have a Kickstarter on these deodorants that uses mostly natural products, and I just thought these are a super cute addition to put in the basket. Lastly, something that is great to give for anybody is a journal, and this is a self-developmental kind of journal. It's a journal that I created. It's called the Creative Minds Journal, and I made sure to use all eco-friendly materials when I created this journal. So as a small business owner myself, sustainability is very important to me, and so I made sure the ink is made of soy ink, the papers are all recycled paper, the material is all recyclable, and inside the journal is just a great way for people to practice mindfulness, awareness, and creativity. Throughout the years, what I learned about myself, I implemented into creating this journal, because I truly believe it is a great way to get people to think beyond where they are. If you're feeling stuck in life, it's because you're living in that left brain hemisphere, the fear mode, the brain that's connected to our limbic system, which handles all the emotions and all the anxiety. We live in this linear perception, which is usually the left brain thinker, and we dwell upon the past, and we worry about the future so much that we're stuck on that side. So if you exercise creativity, which is what the Creative Minds Journal is about, it will help you ease out of that old belief system, the old way of thinking, what you have been conditioned to, into a newer, upgraded belief system. And because of that, you are going to be able to find a newer, better version of yourself. So those are my gift ideas, and I hope that you enjoy this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. I want to hear how you are going to use these ideas and implement it into what you will be doing this holiday season, or for somebody with a birthday, whatever it is. If you have some great ideas on how you would utilize or switch these ideas around, or who you will be giving gifts to, make sure to comment in the comment section below this video. I always love to hear how you will be using these tips. And other than that, I love you, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for spending today with me, and I will see you in my next week's video. Mwah! Ciao!